The Milwaukee County judge says police footage involving a former Milwaukee police officer charged in the off-duty death of a man last year can be made public.
It's a big decision. The order comes after Joel Acevedo's family sued for the records to be released. Fox 6's Bill Miston joining us live. And Bill, an attorney for Acevedo's family, calls this a victory for transparency.
That's right, Ben and Steph, but it's important to note that not all of that footage will be made public. Portions of it will be redacted under the judge's order. And now attorneys for former Milwaukee police officer Michael Mattioli say any options are available or on the table now for them to ensure that their client gets a fair trial.
Hello?
Yes, 911.
Hey, I'm a police officer and I need help over at my house.
When Milwaukee police arrived to then-Officer Michael Mattioli's Southside home last spring, filings say Mattioli was straddling another man who was on his stomach, not breathing, and didn't have a pulse. That man, 25-year-old Joel Acevedo, died 6 days later. Mattioli resigned from the department and was charged with first-degree reckless homicide nearly 5 months later. But while the criminal case worked its way through the courts, Acevedo's family sued. 911 calls were released.
Okay, what's this man's name?
But police body and dash cam held up. Mattioli's attorneys arguing its release would deprive him of a fair trial. On Tuesday, a Milwaukee County judge ordering its release, writing, "The court further needs to consider the public's legitimate interest in policing. There is a strong public interest in scrutinizing the actions of public employees, such as police officers." Mattioli's attorneys saying Wednesday they're in the process of reviewing the decision and will consider all options to protect Mattioli's constitutional right to a fair trial. Acevedo family attorney B. Ivory Lamar calls the ruling a step in the right direction, despite Pocan ordering Mattioli's face and voice be redacted.
So I think this has been a great effort by the continued press, the community, the advocacy that we've seen, and we'll take the small victories as we go along and keep putting pressure.
Now again, Judge William Pocan's order calls for that video to be released, but it must be redacted. Milwaukee police telling me that the process is underway for those records to be redacted, and once that is complete, they will be released to the Acevedo family attorney. Reporting in Milwaukee tonight, Bill Miston, Fox 6 News.
We'll of course follow up then. Bill, thank you.